everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on Laplace transformation, lecture number 5, which will include Laplace transformation of functions, multiplication by t, division by t, and some more problems related to this multiplication and division. Laplace transformation of a function ft multiplied by t statement. If function of t ft is a function of class A and Laplace transformation of capital Ft equal to small fp, then Laplace transformation of tft equal to minus f dash p. Proof. Since LFT equal to integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt ft dt implies that this is equal to LFT equal to small fp equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt ft dt. Differentiating both sides with respect to p. Left side is f dash p, right side here t is a variable for this integration. Here p is treated as constant, but we are differentiating with respect to p, then we will get minus t. Here t will be constant, e to the power minus pt, ft is constant, dt. Implies that minus f dash p equal to 0 to infinity integration e to the power minus pt tft dt. Right side is the Laplace transformation of tft. So L T ft, we may write L T ft equal to minus 1 to the power 1 f dash p. Now we deal multiplication by t to the power n with the function ft. Statement: if ft is a function of class A and Laplace transformation of ft is small fp, then L t to the power n ft equal to minus 1 to the power n nth order derivative of fp. Proof. Since we know that if LFT equal to FP, small fp, then L TFT equal to minus 1 to the power 1 f dash p. Now we prove this by method of induction. Let L t to the power m ft equal to minus 1 to the power m f np mp. Let t to the power m ft equal to gt and lgt equal to gp. Let then t gt of Laplace transformation equal to minus 1 to the power 1 gp. gp is g dash p. This is equal to minus 1 to the power 1. This is the derivative of d by dp gp. d dash p equal to d by dp gp, and gp is the LGT, and value of gt equal to t to the power m ft, and L t to the power m ft equal to minus 1 to the power m f m p. This equal to minus 1 to the power m plus 1 and f to the power m plus 1 p. Now left side is L t, value of gt is t to the power m ft, implies that L t to the power m plus 1 ft. Therefore L t to the power m plus 1 ft equal to minus 1 to the power m plus 1 f m plus 1 p. Therefore the formula is true for value m plus 1, so it is true for all n belongs to n. So by method of induction our formula will be L t to the power n ft equal to minus 1 to the power n d n by dpn fp, that is minus 1 to the power n f n p. Now we shall deal the Laplace transformation by division by t. If Laplace transformation of ft equal to fp, then Laplace transformation of ft by t equal to integration limit p to infinity small fx dx, provided that limit t tends to 0, integration of ft by t dt exists. Given that L ft equal to fp, let 1 by t ft equal to gt, and let L gt equal to gp. Implies that ft equal to tgt, implies that LFT equal to L TGT equal to -1 by multiplication t, we know -1 to the power 1 g dash p this side fp, implies that fp equal to -1 to the power 1 d gp by dp, implies that fp dp minus this side equal to d gp. Integrating both sides, we get p to infinity. This fx dx we may write variable, any variable in definite integration. This p to infinity d gp equal to gp p to infinity equal to right side limit p tends to infinity gp minus gp p equal to limit p tends to infinity, gp is lgt, limit l gt, this is l gt at p, this will be 0 to infinity, p tends to infinity. Firstly, limit p tends to infinity, 0 to infinity, e to the power minus pt gt dt minus l gt at p We may write P or may not write P. If P tends to infinity, then e to the power minus pt will be 0. We may also write this P tends to infinity, 0 to infinity, 1 by e to the power pt gt dt minus L, value of gt is ft by t. This is 0. 1 by e to the power pt. As p tends to infinity, 1 by infinity equal to 0. So we may write 0 minus L ft by t. Left side negative, right side also negative. So we may write L ft by t equal to integration p to infinity fx dx. This is the required formula for division by t. Now we solve a problem of Laplace transformation, multiplication by t. Let ft equal to sin t, L ft equal to L sin t equal to 1 by p square plus 1 equal to fp. Let we know that L TFT equal to minus 1 to the power 1 f dash p equal to minus 1 to the power 1 d by dp fp equal to minus 1 d by dp 1 by p square plus 1 equal to minus 1 into minus 1 1 by p square plus 1 whole square into 2p equal to 2p by p square plus 1 whole square. Now we solve a problem in which Laplace transformation division by t. Let ft equal to sin t, L ft equal to L sin t equal to 1 by p square plus 1 equal to fp. Let we know that L ft by t equal to integration p to infinity fx dx equal to p to infinity fx means x 1 by x square plus 1 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to integration p to infinity. Now we solve this. Tan inverse x limit p to infinity equal to tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse p. Tan inverse infinity means pi by 2 minus tan inverse p equal to cot inverse p. Now we find Laplace transformation of t square sin at. Let ft equal to sin at, L ft equal to L sin at. Laplace transformation of sin at equal to a by p square plus a square, and LFT equal to FP. Since this is multiplication by t square, so we get right side minus 1 square and second order derivative of FP. We put the value of Fp equal to a by p square plus a square, and d by dp outside and d by dp here. We derivative differentiate this, we will get minus 2ap by p square plus a square whole square. Again we differentiate this, u by v means p square plus a square whole square into differentiation of 2 minus ap minus this remains same and differentiation of this is this, and we calculate this. We get the result 2a 3p square minus a square by p square plus a square whole. Here we solve a problem which is mix of division and also integration. Given that LFT equal to small fp, then so that Laplace transformation of integration 0 to t fu by u du is 1 by p integration limit p to infinity fx dx. Firstly, we find the Laplace transformation of this term. Let this term is fu by u is gu, that is ft by t equal to gt. Then lgt equal to lft by t. Given that lft equal to small fp, then division by t is formula integration p to infinity small fx dx. Let this is gp. Now we find L integration 0 to t, this is gu du. Laplace transformation of integration is 1 by p and Laplace transformation of this gt, that is gp, and gu is f by u, and this side 1 by p integration, so gp is integration limit p to infinity fx dx. This is the result. Now we solve the next part. Here fu equal to sin u and LFT equal to L sin t. L sin t equal to 1 by p square plus 1, that is small fp. Now division by t, L ft by t equal to L sin t by t. Division by t gives the integration p to infinity 1 by 1 plus x square dx integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x, limit p to infinity, then tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse p, tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 minus tan inverse p equal to cot inverse p. Now we find Laplace transformation of 0 to t fu by u du is integration of Laplace transformation is 1 by p and Laplace transformation of fu by u means sin u by sin t by t, that is cot inverse p. Now we have to prove a problem. Integration limit 0 to infinity ft by t dt equal to integration limit 0 to infinity small fx dx, where lft equal to small ft. Given that, solution, given that lft equal to small fp. Now division by t gives lft by t equal to integration p to infinity fx dx. Laplace transformation of this is 0 to infinity e to the power minus pt ft by t dt equal to p to infinity integration fx dx. Putting p equal to 0 in both sides, we get 0 to infinity e to the power minus value of p is 0 t ft by t dt, value of p is 0 fx dx, implies that 0 to infinity e to the power 0 is 1 ft by t dt equal to integration 0 to infinity fx dx. Proved. Now we solve a problem, multiplication by t. Let this term is function of t, ft equal to 3 sin 2t minus 2 cos t. We use L both sides. Since Laplace transformation is a linear transformation, so 3L sin 2t minus 2L cos 2t. Laplace transformation of sin 2t is 2 by p square plus 2 square. Laplace transformation of cos 2t equal to p by p square plus 2 square. We take LCM, p square plus 4. Here 6 minus 2p. Let this is small fp. Now multiplication by t. Formula is the multiplication by t is minus 1 power 1 f dash p. Means d by dp. Fp is 6 minus 2p p square plus 4. Now we differentiate this u by v. First p square plus 4, differentiation of 6 minus 2p is minus 2. Now 6 minus 2p remains same, differentiation of p square plus 4 is 2p. And we calculate this, we get 2 minus p square plus 6p plus 4 by p square plus 4 whole square. Now we solve a problem, L sin at minus t cos at. Here multiplied by t with this cos at. So firstly we separate this L sin AT minus L T cos AT. Laplace transformation of sin AT is A by P square plus A square and minus L T cos AT. We solve this. This is number 1. L cos AT equal to P by P square plus A square. Let this is function of P, small fp. Now multiply by T gives minus 1 to the power 1 f dash P. Means d by dp, fp is P by P square plus A square. We differentiate this, u by v. So firstly this constant P square plus A square, differentiation of P is 1. Now P remains same, differentiation of P square plus A square is 2P by P square plus A square whole square. And this gives minus A square minus P square plus A square whole square. Now putting the value of L T cos AT here, number 1. So left side L sin AT minus T cos AT equal to first A by P square plus A square minus value of 2. And we calculate this, we get this result. Thank you for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel.